Tired of writing uninteresting content? Do you want your audience to notice? Layerpath revolutionizes content development. Layerpath powers content creation, not simply video editing. This AI-powered platform revolutionizes product demos, how-to manuals, and promo videos. Imagine creating immersive, interactive experiences. It has many capabilities for marketers, product managers, and content creators to create engaging and dynamic content. Layerpath's interactive formats set it apart. Imagine interactively showing clients a new app feature, product usage, or service points. Users interact with buttons, links, and forms via Layerpath's immersive experience. The platform's AI writes engaging prose, nuanced descriptions, and extensive explanations, saving scriptwriting time. Plus, the AI voiceover tool provides professional voiceovers for entire demos. You can make professional presentations without particular talents or equipment. In addition to creation, Layerpath can enhance and publish videos. The platform allows zoom, animation, and voiceover modifications. You can customize the video background music, brand colors, resolution, and frame rate to align with your brand identity. Once satisfied, users can convert videos to MP4 and GIF for simple sharing across platforms and devices. Layerpath makes content accessible and impactful on websites, social media, and consumer portals. It supports URL posting, direct integration with Notion and Google Docs, and HTML or MDX knowledge-based file exports. Content consistency is difficult, but Layerpath's Brand Kit simplifies it. The Brand Kit automates themes, fonts, logos, and canvas backdrops across all materials to match the brand's visual identity. The Brand Package also includes AI voiceover and audio branding. This integrated strategy boosts brand presence and content professionalism, giving audiences a consistent experience. Finally, Layerpath enhances product demos, how-to tutorials, and promotional movies. Interactive formats, robust customization, and advanced AI enable professional content creation. Layerpath has the tools to improve product presentations, streamline documentation, and make engaging promotional videos. Layerpath lets you modify presentations and embrace content creation's future. Try it now. Also, check out more software by visiting our playlists, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals. Thanks for watching. See you next time.